What's up guys, Nathan here back in another video. In today's video, I'm back here in the end. I'm gonna have to build up a little bit because the Endermen are trying to attack me. Or they were, before I started recording, so yeah. Anyways, in today's video, I'm gonna be exploring the end city I mean. And I'm gonna see what kind of loot I can get, so before today's video starts, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment to be notified of future uploads. And with that, let's get into it. So, they still doing that? Yep, I think so. Yep, they are. Oh no. Where is it? I think it's over there somewhere. Oh, nope, that was a bad idea. Wait a minute, now I have to get another ender pearl. No ender pearl. Yes, ender pearl. Probably gonna want to back up. Man, I need some ladders or something. Oh, I'll just use this. Looks like I'll have to go pick up some more blocks in the end city. What? Still? Come on. They hit me off. What? This isn't okay. Why are they all attacking me for no reason? I just got in here. There's no way I could have looked at all of them like that. Nope. There's nothing else I can do at this point. These Endermen be going. Another one? Bruh. Hold up. No. Half heart. No, there's more. Oh my. Dang. I barely healed any. No. This isn't okay. Darn, I should have brought a golden apple or something. No. Stay away. Come on, can I at least get some blocks? I think I'll just have to make a run for it before I trigger any more of them. Oh no. Like, they broke my helmet. I never really seeing anything here. Okay. Just want to make sure I have some blocks in case that happens again. No, don't tell me that happened again. Oh no. I also need some chorus flowers. I didn't record the last time I went to the end, but that was in a different version of Minecraft, so... but, yeah, last time, I forgot how to replant this. Oh, right, I forgot that does that. But, I was wondering why I couldn't plant it, so I just googled why it wouldn't, or how to put it in the overworld, and yeah, it turns out you actually have to get these things. Which are called chorus flowers. Oh. I guess I'll just be taking the chorus flowers and fruit. No, it's not gonna work like that. Just let me break that chorus flower. Can't reach that one up there. Unless, of course, I do this. I thought there was gonna be some, buildings here, but I probably have to go to a different island for that. Okay. I have 4 chorus flowers. That should be good. Alright, now I'm gonna try to look for some building. Oh, 5 chorus flowers. Will it give me any more? Probably not. Oh, not this again. I'm just trying to find the end city buildings. I can't find any. Like, what? I'm not really sure if World Seed can affect that, but if you know, please let me know down in the comments below, because I do not know where to find the buildings. don't want to get too far away from the portal. Darn. Looks like he broke my boots. No, no, we're not doing this. No, 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 no. Nope, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. What? Wow. Oh, dang. I guess I should have probably healed a little bit, but the Endermen weren't even letting me. That was a weird glitch. Should I try that again? Hold up. Let me think. Okay, guys, I'm back. This video is gonna be a little, shorter than the others because there wasn't much in the end city to explore, so with that, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and to be notified of future uploads. And you might be wondering if this is the end of the series, and the answer to that is the answer to that would be no. Okay. So, when it will be, probably after I beat the Wither, then there wouldn't really be anything else to do. Yeah, that'll probably be it. So, yeah, after I beat the Wither, I'll probably just end off Ocean Life. And, wait a minute. Didn't even drop an Ender Pearl. Okay. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you did, well, no, I mean, if you did, stay tuned for, I'd probably say, my search for Wither skeleton skulls. I'll probably be making a video about that. But, this video is kind of going up kind of late, but yeah, I didn't mean for that to happen. Anyways, like I said before, I got more content coming in September. I'm gonna make a new channel before the middle of September. So, yeah. There's that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.